Hey there foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making a delicious and easy one-pot chicken rice recipe that's perfect for a quick weeknight dinner. So let's get started. Here I've taken some boneless chicken pieces. Let's marinate it with some yogurt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder and some garam masala. Add some ginger garlic paste, 2 green chili slit, coriander leaves, mint leaves, some salt, half lemon juice and some hot mustard oil. Mix everything really well onto the chicken. Keep it aside for marination for 1 to 2 hours. Now let's start preparing the one-pot chicken. Into a big pan, add some ghee and add whole spices, some turmeric powder. Saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Into that add washed and soaked rice. Saute it for some time. Then add some water. Then place all the marinated chicken on top of the rice. Now add enough water to cook the rice and chicken. Close the lid. Once it nicely boiled, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot and simmer for around 20 to 25 minutes or until the rice is cooked and the liquid has been absorbed. And that's it, our one-pot chicken rice recipe is ready. Fluff the rice with a fork, then serve hot and enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you give this recipe a try, be sure to let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more easy and delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.